All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber. Hey, this short little video, let's talk about staggering nails. Not using a smooth nail, but using a ring shank nail. Now, you can see, you want to kind of use this in a diagonal bracing, or not diagonal bracing, but a diagonal pattern. And you can see just on these, bracing what we do here. You see how we stagger even that? We stagger, and the reason why you want to stagger, let me go up here so you can see this. You don't want to obviously break off the board there. All right, you can see up there, we staggered there. Now if you look at this yellow beam, or yellow pine top beam here, you see how we staggered that as well. See the nail pattern right there. Again, you don't want to go in a vertical line. You go in a vertical line, you're going to crack the wood. Now we didn't have a choice here on this. You can see how this 2x6 is going to hold that up. So that was more in a straight line pattern. But if you go over here, more variation. You see that more variation. It's not a straight line here. It's a staggered. And again, it's a ring shank, not a smooth. You have a smooth, it has a tendency, well, again, it can back out. You have a ring shank in there, and that's going to be a tighter fastener, tighter grip on the building. And then also another thing I want to mention here is the 2x6 sidewall girts. Why 2x6 versus 2x4? And again, depends on the state. Now in the state of Ohio code, if it's a state building, they want a 2x4 spaced 24 inches apart. Now we think 2x6, again, it just depends on what you're doing. But you got a 2x6, which is 5.5 inches versus a 2x4, which is 3.5 inches. Now these 2x6 sidewall girts, our purlins, are spaced 30 inches apart. Now 5.5 inches versus 3.5 inches. When you talk about strength, again, this is, I guess, up to debate. And I would love for the comments in the section, leave us your opinion on that. But we feel 5.5 inches versus 3.5 inches piece of lumber provides a little bit more strength and so forth. But we definitely abide by the state of Ohio guidelines. And we do put it 2x4, 2 foot on center for state code jobs. So just a couple things there, food for thought there. But like the video, boom, thumbs up. Definitely leave us your comments. And until the next one, keep it locked, loaded right here, Attica Lumber.